Morning guys, happy Wednesday. We're back. Started the recording here a little bit later. Haven't taken any trades yet. Have both accounts here, so gonna be taking orders. So if I take a pair of two, it's gonna show up as one, just so you guys can know what's going on there. We have the top of the hour coming up here. It's 9:57. I have a couple minutes left here. We gapped down last night at 6 o'clock and just ended up dropping more towards the lows here from the 27th. So just watching to see what we're gonna do. We have this, consolidation here, kind of like a flag pennant, trying to hold this level here. That 15,500 level is really important. So trying to hold that. This was resistance here that we bounced off, broke through, came back into, failed to make a new high on this push, made a lower high. So let's see, maybe we make a higher low here, come back up, or we're actually going to retest this 15.5 and potentially break it this time. So let me take a look here. So we got the hourly, nothing too special, just we're in a downtrend. 30 minute, we got about a minute left here. 15 minutes trying to put in 1 2 3 long. We have a long setup here. 5 minute trying to push up. We're sitting on some levels here. I could take it long. 15 minute 1 2 3 long. If this candle closes lower, I'll grab it long right here. 15 minute long, take it back up. Probably up around 650 or so, still 50 points, so potential for a nice move there. 5 seconds here till the hourly candle opens. Yeah, I want to see more of a dip first. Yeah, I can have really tight stops, so I'll take 2 contracts here. It's going to show as 4 because it's between 2 accounts. I'll grab it there. 1 2 3 long on the 15 minute. I do like the 5 minute, the previous candle that we set up. Gonna put my stop there. Under the lows. Yeah, definitely 650 is where I want to take it. 20 SMA on the 5 minute. I'll take off, since I have 4, I like to take off the first couple here. So I'll probably take it off into about 610 or so. Nice little push there. 603. I'm going to take off the first 2 right there. Just because I have 4, I like to lock something in. So about that 1 hour risk, $240, $250 on each. And then we can hold here for the bigger move. Yeah, definitely put it right there, 36. We're in this downtrend still. I don't know if we're going to come back into a 500 level. That's a really nice candle on the 4 hour. I just realized that. That's a really nice candle there. Really nice reversal. You have that wick up. You have the body, wick, made a new low, close within. Yeah, I like, that's a really nice reversal candle in the 4 hour. Very possible we see at least even potentially 700 based on that. But you zoom in. And you got the 50s. See what they do. Take a look at SPX here. Switch over. Yeah, because I'm always watching. I have my other monitor here, the two other ones. So I usually have like the hourly up on the NASDAQ, watching that. SPX as well. Just kind of seeing, you know, where we're at overall. If that's going to pull us down in the market. So we have the daily here. Gap down. We're still inside this huge breakdown candle here. 4 hour, you know, under the moving averages. Hourly, we have that level there at 527. 30-minute, filling the gap here. We're sitting on the gap. We're going sideways. We're building strength. Hopefully for the move higher. Based on all the setups, I'd say higher. I'd say it's the highest probability trade right now. So just watching for this break here. Yeah, we're gonna go straight up. See what happens. That's what we're kind of watching right now. So we're in the trade here. We're long. Stop under the lows. I really hope we don't sweep the lows first. 240, 77.25. I'm gonna move it break even just in case we peak the lows here. I don't necessarily think we will, but just in case, I'm okay with that. 10:06. Oof. So they did peak the lows. Now, are they gonna buy it back up? Or are they gonna stop me out? Probably stop me out. There it is. Continuing down here, breaking the lows. It's a shame. I really like that pattern there, unless they're, you know, coming into kind of this pattern here. That song was horrible. All right, so we'll take a look here. We'll watch for our next trade, and we'll see what sets up for you guys. I'm gonna grab 2 there. Looking for it long, push over. What am I risking? A lot of risk on this trade. $15-minute 1, 2, 3 long. I like the candle structure. I like this 5-minute candle that we just last had. Solid body down with the wick up. New 15, new 30-minute. Want to see a push. It's about here. We do only have the 2 contracts. I didn't take all of them. Yeah, I want to see more of a push. I don't want to risk this much though. I'm gonna put my stop in the low of this candle here. Stop there is like $29. I just would hate to be stopped out when the trade works. But it's like, do I need it to come down like under the lows at 24? I mean, 23.75, 355. Risking 17 points, 18 points. Make what? 41. I want to at least get up into here. 24. I mean, it's over 1-to-1. Kind of a weird scenario because we are coming into that 9 in a downtrend, but we're putting in signs of reversal, candle structure that I really like. Should see a pop here. I'll need to see a pop here. Like maybe the stop is under there. I can kill it early, but there we go. Nice move. Getting the move back up. Like I'd like to see it up here, but there's a lot going on here that we could get hold up at, and I don't want to not sell at a resistance point. The 30 minute short, it's a 15 minute short, so it would be a likely level. Doesn't mean we have to come up to it, but it is a level that it could, that it would reject, that it could come to. Second test of the 9 isn't as strong. Kind of doing this inside here. I mean, I think if it breaks 34.25, I have to be out. I think that's the level. It's trying to hold. We got some of a bounce. Really need to see that strong move back up. Go, going green on the candle. I'm gonna put the level to sell there, and then I can always kill it early if it stalls. But in case we get the flash, I like to get maximum gains out of it. About a minute and a half here left on this 5-minute candle. Want to try and get the move here in this candle. I don't like this long wick down. Tends to fill it back down. SPX still sitting on support at 15 or 45.30 level. It's trying, it just needs a little bit more. I don't know if I like it more or less, the fact that we're just kind of going sideways here under the 9. Like, are we going sideways waiting for the 9 to catch up before we dump more, or are we building energy to break through it? That's the question. And I have a feeling that it might be to dump more. I don't like that candle. At this point, if we come back up into the 9, I'm just like... We'll see how we come in. Are we going to flash into it? Are we going to grind into it here? If we even get into it. I'd hate to kill it early. But the same thing, it could just keep rejecting this 9. Yeah, see, like, I think we're gonna repaint the 9 here. Dump, probably get stopped out. Technically, like, it didn't hit it, but now with it dropping, it's gonna pull the 9 down. Very possible that it does that. We're gonna have a new 15-minute candle here. I mean, we're just inside the previous candle. Trying to hold. Getting the feeling like we're gonna continue down. Yeah. And then repaints the 9 there. Small loss. That's a shame because a couple times we were up, but I think we needed the move to happen a little bit quicker there. The more we go sideways, just waiting for the 9 to catch up and just continue down. I mean, that's the pattern that we're in here. Probably should have recognized that. I did recognize it and then acted on it, understanding that there's a high likelihood that was what was going to happen there. Coming back into the lows here. We're going to have to wait for this 5-minute candle to close. We're in a downtrend. We still want to see the 500s. Feel like I should have taken that off early, but no problem. Looking here. About a minute to the next candle opens. We got under this volume here. Still looking for that 500 level. I want to be short into that. Tried holding this reversal pattern. We're under that 5-minute PCH long. Didn't really play an effect. I'm gonna put 4 in this scenario where I think I can get really tight risk. Just depends where we close. Might do 2. It just depends here. If we can get a close like up towards 50. Doesn't look like we're going to though. We do a 15-minute PCL. Retesting low of this candle. Really want to be short here. Like, this is gonna dump lows. Yeah. 37, 39. I could have maybe taken that. Yeah, that was a pretty telltale sign there. Setting up there, candle structure on the 15. We're just gonna dump lows. All right, well, let's see what happens here. Gonna be waiting, watching, and we'll see you guys in the next trade. We're getting close. There we go. Punched us in there. 505, near that 500 level. Lots of buyers at that 500 level. Very strong level that we were looking at before the low of all this junk. At 504.75. See if we actually come down and hit that 500. New 5-minute candle here. Big bounce off the level. 12 points. I'd hate to cover so early, but I mean, we're coming into 30, 15. All the way back up into these levels here. I'm going to take it off there. Coming into the prior lows that we put in. I mean, that could have been low of day right there. And that very well could be a low of day. But I only had one on each. I don't want to hold one on one and then not one on the other. It doesn't make sense. I'd have to have the 4 there, but that type of setup, managing risk with that much, we're kind of in this empty space here. We do have that 500 level, but I have to sell it there. Yeah, see, we're getting rejected off that. It's a reject. I mean, I have to sell it there. If I had more contracts, I could rationalize sell one, hold one. I'm gonna grab it here. There's just so much buying happening here. That's 500. Spiking through. Now back into the 500 level. Seems like a liquidity grab. Yeah, the only thing that sucks about having both here, I can't do bracket orders with hard stops. That automatically attaches to the order. Specifically in this case, I didn't want to have a hard stop where it flashes through like this with the liquidity grab. I'm watching though. If it keeps dumping, I'm just going to kill the trade. I'm okay with that. Oof. They're trying to spook everyone here. And they're just running it down. Yeah, I mean, I'm down more than I like to in a trade. It's just such a strong level that could be the low of day. So I hate stopping out at the very bottom here, but I'm gonna have to. If I know I'm gonna put my stop here, and it's gonna. I don't want to lose anymore. So if it flashes that, and then that's the low of day, so be it. I don't know. I can't have it keep flashing down. Yeah, risking a little bit more than I wanted to there. Strong flashes of liquidity and buying coming in. You can see how quick it moved there. They just need to get it back over 500 here pretty quickly. Looks like they're going to close the hour under. I mean, if this was an hourly candle to go straight up, we're definitely at the level. I can't. If we break the low of the previous hour, then I'm out. It stops there. I don't think a 5-minute short setup is going to be what keeps us down. lot of buying there at the top of the hour. Got to take it back into the 9, into the 1530 short setups. That previous consolidation zone. Came into the low. I hate even having my sell order this low, but like we're still in a downtrend technically. Maybe we just maybe we do reject this. I mean, we're coming back into 500 after closing underneath of it. Pull all the longs like me and then just dump it. Who knows? Looking now, it's pretty close hourly under 500. Come back up to it with the 5-minute short setup. I don't think there's any reason it needs to even hold this low, but I'm not going to hold past that. I'm already down more than I want. Take me out. Just do it. I need to tease me. Come on. There we go. That was the bottom of the week, guys, of the month right there. Now we're going to run it straight up. Oh my gosh. That one little... They saw my order there and they're like, you know what, guys? We can't go higher until we remove him. Alright? You got one job. That's phenomenal. Whatever. Bottom tick the stop out there. Classic. Bound to happen. But that's probably going to be it. It's already 11:05. We'll see if that actually was the bottom. Probably is. If you guys are enjoying this raw live trading, subscribe, like the video, and you'll see more content like this. See you guys tomorrow.